bike I was going to take out today. I was really stuck, kind of trying to decide which one I wanted. So I ended up just putting a poll up on my Instagram asking which bike everyone wanted me to take out, and it was the most intense poll I've ever had. Sorry, I was trying to pay attention there. It was very neck and neck the entire time. Normally, when I post a poll like that for a choice, it's typically very heavily one-sided. It's usually like 80-20 split, like at least. It's always weighed more towards one side. But for some reason today, it was very 50-50 pretty much the whole time, which I did not expect. To be completely honest, I kind of expected more people to want the ZX10, which is clearly what I'm on, because like it's new to the channel, kind of. Not completely new, but like it's not like the R6 where I've made tons and tons of videos on it, so it's still like newer in that aspect. So I figured a bunch of people would be like, yeah, let's see more of that now that you like revived it again. But surprisingly, there was a good bit of people that said they wanted to see the R6. At the very last minute, the ZX10-1, literally like before I was about to get dressed and stuff and get ready to go, I checked the results and they were tied at 50-50. So I shared that on my story and said I was trying to leave, but there wasn't a set winner yet. And by the time I finished getting dressed, the ZX10 had a couple more votes than the R6. So that is what I'm on now for this video. Figured I'll do just a little night trip to the lake. Not night, but evening trip to the lake. Just because it's somewhat highway. There's that little bit where it's 2 lanes. And because it's starting to become fall, leaves are starting to change color and stuff, so it might be nice scenery at the lake when we get there. But I didn't want to take the exact same route I took last time I rode the ZX10. I feel like that would get kind of boring. So I went with the second best option in my opinion. Part of me was kind of hoping this bike won anyways, because I had this bike facing in the garage and my R6 facing out of the garage, and I have some real ideas I want to do with them like right beside each other, and I can't have one facing one way and one facing the other, you know. So I needed to get this bike turned around, and now this gives me an excuse to do that, because my sorry, I keep coughing, because my driveway is like an incline to get it into the garage, and then I have a little like concrete bump to get into the garage as well, and this bike is heavy, so it's not exactly easy to get a heavy bike up a hill backwards. You know, you don't have like any help from the engine or anything because you're going in reverse, so it's just all muscle. It's not exactly easy, so now I at least have like a reason to move it around. I guess a reason to get it out of the garage. So and then when I get it back home, I will just put it in backwards, even though it's a pain. I think I am going to wait to post shorts with the ZX10 until you've seen the full length video where I brought it back, because in that video I did like another big reveal type of thing. So if I post shorts of it beforehand, that big reveal is going to seem kind of like pointless, I guess would be the word. unless you don't see my shorts and you only see like the full-length videos, then it wouldn't, but that's just my reasoning behind it. So as of right now, I'm probably going to try to just keep making reels without the ZX10. Well, not reels, shorts, enough to get until the full-length video of this. Then there'll be a bunch of shorts with this in it. Parts of the video, like right now, probably are going to be pretty dark because I have the filter on the lens cap. Sorry about that. I mean, it makes other parts look great. Oh, look, there's a deer. A mom and one little baby, I guess. Makes other parts look really great, but like when I go through dark shaded areas, like with a lot of trees and stuff, it makes it seem like I'm riding at night. And like when I go through a tunnel, it's just completely black. So it's got pros and cons. But I mean, I think everything does. I just had my visor cracked open to like clear off the fog and stuff, and the bike popped really loud. So I'm wondering if since my visor was opened, it might have picked it up a little better. I'm hoping so I can leave it in as an example. It has to be done, right? Like, it's pretty much a unwritten rule, I feel like. The whole song, my mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. That's where I'm at. Take it easy for now. Nothing too crazy. Maybe on the way back. Just kidding, I would never. And if you're wondering, that was maybe half twisting the throttle. That was not like gunning it by any means. That was just like half twist. I'm still adjusting to the bike. Let me just get a little more comfortable. There seems to be a lot of wind up here. Sorry, I just had to get behind the windshield to get out of the wind for a little bit. That's also, full disclosure, in low power mode. So, of course, it's going to accelerate a little bit slower. If this road was smooth, it would be a very nice road for extracurriculars. But it's very bumpy. So it's probably, yep, see, one of the worst. Here we are again. I'm a little nervous to shut the bike off. Hope it starts up for me again when I go to leave. It should, but a lot of things should happen. Try to get a nice shot. Please haven't changed too much yet. Hey, do you mind? I'm filming a YouTube video here. If you could maybe keep it down, thank you. So inconsiderate. I was trying to enjoy nature, dude. I don't know if you can hear like the crickets and stuff, but it's pretty nice. Be really cool to set up like a tent right down there where it's nice and flat, right next to the water. What was that? I don't know. Yeah, it'd be cool to camp down there. I'd go over there, that area. I'd probably get away with it. Maybe do a little camping on the lake. It'd be fun. Anyways, there she is. Good to have it back. So sketchy, but still fun. Hoping I have this for a couple years, meaning it lasts well, nothing else happens to it. Just continues to work for me and run, do its job. Hopefully. We'll see. But on that note, I'm going to end this one here. And then I'm going to head back home. I'll record another one on the way home. Same as usual. If nothing happens, it'll get deleted. But, oh, there's deer too. I'm not going to even try to bother zooming in on that because you're just going to see pixels with how far away they are. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Sorry, I'm trying to count how many there are. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and see you later. Have a good rest of your day.